Now, this picture has come blurred, but this is just from my patient around 5 6 months back. She is a nurse herself, and she had come with a huge fibroid. She was 40 years old, so we did a TLH and we preserved her ovaries. Okay. Now, when we did a TLH, because she had a huge, almost 28 32 week size uterus, so we did a laparoscopic hysterectomy, but then specimen retrieval was very difficult. So for specimen retrieval, that is to take the uterus out, such a huge uterus, although we accomplished the surgery laparoscopically, to take that huge uterus out, we gave an incision on the abdomen, a fan and seal incision, and we took out the uterus through that fan and seal incision. Now, we give a very small incision actually, and we had to morcellate the uterus through that incision. Now, this patient came to me around 6 months later, and she said, Ki, I am fine, everything is good. She came for a follow up in between, also, everything was fine. She just developed a hypertrophic scar. You can see the scar here is hypertrophic. And then she said, but I just look at my wound, there is a bluish spot on the one edge of the wound. And she's a nurse, so she was very aware of things. And she said, every time it doesn't pain, but only certain days I feel very uncomfortable. It hurts, बहुत ज़्यादा pain होता है, enough that she has to take painkillers. And she said when the pain is there, this nodule becomes more prominent. This is a bluish nodule. So as soon as you see this should immediately run in your mind that this is scar endometriosis. Now, it was a very difficult morcellation, so that's why the probably endometrium got there. And we had left her ovaries behind because she was just 40 years old. So we had just done a TLH, a total laparoscopic hysterectomy. So what was happening was every month, ovulation was happening, and at the time of menstruation, uterus was not there, but the ectopic endometrial glands here would bleed, and that would cause her immense pain. So right now we've put her on medical management, but we do plan to, because the final, we'll come to this in treatment, the final treatment is of course excision. Medical management is only temporary. So this is just one example, okay, of how scar endometriosis can happen, and this patient presented after a hysterectomy.